Hey guys, my name is Anita. I'm a volunteer with Spark Academy, and today we're going to be making a do-it-yourself basketball goal.
Okay, so we're going to need a tall box, a plastic cup, a glue stick, a white glue, instruction paper, and a Sharpie. Okay guys, make sure that you have everything that you need in front of you. Awesome. So now we're going to draw out on the backboard, just like that. You're doing great. And then you're going to put glue on the backboard and attach it to the box. And then next, you're going to cut a hole on the bottom of the cup and attach it with the glue. Awesome guys, we're almost there. Great! Now you're ready to play.